Meteorologist Nate Harrington's with us tonight for a check of our weather, and sum it up in one word: rainy for sure, but there is a danger associated with this.
Absolutely. There's a lot of dangers, especially if you are headed down to the beach, but a lot of people I've talked to, they're gonna bear it out and then just go and try to have a good time.
If you spend all year waiting to go to the beach on Memorial Day, what a depressing outcome this time of year.
Yeah, you got to make the most of it, and that's what they're going to have to do, because starting on Sunday, weather is really going to take a turn down on the Gulf Coast. We're going to see more of this, more showers, more thunderstorms scattered around central Alabama for the next several days. The strongest of the storms move through Jefferson County between 2:30, 3 o'clock, caused all the damage that we saw a little bit earlier, flooding rain, some power lines and trees down. Now these storms are to the north and west of Birmingham, Carbon Hill, Nauvoo, Lynn, Double Springs, and near Haleyville. You've got a lot of heavy lightning and also some heavier downpours too as these storms track off to the north and west. The good news is by the time we get to say 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, most of the rain should be on out of here and fizzled out. And Futurecast shows that we could see a few lingering showers till around 10 o'clock, but the heavier rain will be done. Then on Saturday, once again, we've kept talking about it, the weekend is not going to be a complete total washout. You will possibly get a break, but a lot of folks are going to see rain over the next several days, over the Memorial Day weekend, Saturday into Sunday, and especially Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, as whatever is left of Alberto impacts us. Now, important to note, this is Alberto. It does not look like a classical tropical storm. It is a subtropical storm. It doesn't have a defined center of circulation. There's several little areas of low pressure around what is defined as the center of Alberto right now. That's why it's not just a tropical storm. It's a subtropical storm. However, once it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, we expect it to become a tropical storm, most likely late Saturday and into Sunday. So here's the area of low pressure, Alberto, located just to the east of the Yucatan Peninsula. Winds of 40 miles per hour, moving very slowly, kind of drifting east around 2 miles per hour. However, once we get into Saturday late and into Sunday, it turns into a full-fledged tropical storm with winds of 60 miles per hour or greater. Then it moves to the north and approaches the Gulf Coast by the time we get to Monday afternoon into Monday night. Most likely somewhere between New Orleans and Pensacola, but that could all change. But it doesn't matter exactly where it makes landfall. What matters is we're going to see a lot of rain out of this. Anywhere from Biloxi all the way to Panama City and the Big Bend of Florida, it's going to be a lot of rainfall, a lot of wind, and a lot of coastal erosion and coastal flooding is possible with Alberto. And then after that, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for us, heavy rainfall moves in. So there you see Alberto spinning through the Gulf of Mexico, a lot of rainfall down near the coast. By Tuesday, we see a lot of rain here in central Alabama. Whatever's left of Alberto brings us heavy soaking rains. How much rain are we talking about? Well, it could be significant. 4, 5, possibly 6 inches in some spots. Down near the coast, going to be an absolute washout. 6 to 10 inches of rain possible through Tuesday. High surf, strong rip currents, and coastal flooding and beach erosion is possible. And there you see it, 6 to 10 inches of rain down closer from Mobile over to Destin. And around here, 4 to 5 inches is possible in some spots. So weather aware days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, a lot to look at for the next several days. But hopefully, by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday, things do start to calm down just a little bit, Jack.